your breaststroke?
Huh?
That was your frog kick that you do with that?
Yeah. And usually you do a frog kick and then do little kicks for like a second.
Oh,
Then you do another frog kick and little kicks.
I see.
And you do this the whole time.
Let me try it and see if I can do it. Does my head
Pretty
have
hard.
to go underwater like yours did?
Yeah. Working out hard to learn. Yay, he's doing it good. It was a lot harder for me to learn. To get to do the frog kick. I am going to do a cannonball into this pool, and you are probably far enough so that you will not get wet.